Hello friends, welcome to Just Anything. Today we are going to unbox Beardo trimmer. I bought this for 2000 from Flipkart. Let's quickly unbox it. So this is a stand, a small comb, this comes with a charger, and finally the trimmer. It looks amazing, the finishing is really good. It is just the size of a palm. So there is one button, we can on and off with that button itself. We can change the blades. So here we are provided with a lot of heads. We can change the heads of this trimmer with this as per our convenience. Every head is provided with a different blades. This is another type. So we need to be aware of which blade to use when. And we have a gel with us, and it comes with a brush. We can clean the trimmer. So these are all the items in the box. We have a trimmer and a head, charger, a brush and a comb, and a stand for all these items. So let's just put everything on the stand. This looks amazing. If you're looking for a trimmer under 2000, then you should definitely try it. Thanks for watching.